Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use Otter AI to transcribe a YouTube video. Okay, so first what we are going to do here, you will log in into your transcribe AI profile, and here you will see a bunch of options. So you have audio video file transcription and transcription of audio video from the link. So what you can do, you can use MP3, MP4, and so on. You basically upload this file here and it will start transcribing. But we will use this from the link. So click like that and you will see that we need to paste the link right here. So you see here some Dropbox, Drive, YouTube, Instagram. So we will go here on Instagram and we will copy this link. Let's say like so, copy and then paste it right over here and start transcribing. Now, as you can see, status is downloading. So obviously we will need to wait a few moments that this process is finished and then we will see what will happen right over here. So now that status is success, we can open up this transcription right here. So just click on it and you will see here with timestamps and everything that it said in video. You also have down here that you can listen. And yeah, this is pretty much it. You can edit right over here and you can also export transcription in different files format. And yeah, this is pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.